For 155 years, one tiny strip of water that has controlled the fate of global economy, the Suez Canal. If it closes, the world starves. If it is blocked, billions are lost in hours. Every superpower in history has been a slave to this one checkpoint. But as we sit here in 2026, a new map is being drawn. A map that doesn't just bypass the Suez, it threatens to make it obsolete. It's a silent multi-billion-dollar architecture known as the Haifa-Chabar Triangle. And India isn't just a part of it. India is the center of it. Today, we decode how India is building a new Euro-Asia and why the world's trade balance is shifting from Egypt to Mumbai. First, look south, Chabar. This isn't just a port, it's India's middle finger to the geography of the 20th century. For decades, Pakistan blocked India's path to Central Asia. By building Chabar, India didn't just bypass a border, we unlocked a 7,200 kilometers monster called the INSTC, International North-South Transport Corridor. Do you know how long it takes a container to get from Mumbai to St. Petersburg via the Suez? 45 days. Via the Chabar-Iran route, 25 days. India just shaved 20 days off the global clock. But there is a catch. Chabar isn't just about speed. It's a direct counter move to China's Gwadar port, just 170 kilometers away. It's a game of geopolitical chicken, and India just took the lead. Now look north, Haifa, Israel. Why would an Indian company spend billions to buy a port in the middle of a conflict zone? Because Haifa is the exit door of the IMEC, the India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. Imagine a train carrying Indian semiconductors through the deserts of Saudi Arabia, crossing into Jordan, and arriving at the Mediterranean in Haifa. The secret strategy. By controlling Haifa, India ensures that even if the Red Sea is blocked by pirates or war, Indian goods still reach Europe. We have turned a volatile region into our private highway. This creates the trade arc. To the northwest, the European market via Haifa. To the north, the Euro-Asian resources via Chabar. In the center, the Indian manufacturing hub. India is no longer just a destination for trade. It is the pivot. We have become the bridge connecting the Indian Ocean economy, the Middle East energy corridor, and European consumers. But why is this more important than Suez Canal? The Suez Canal is a single checkpoint. One stuck ship, one missile or one draft, and it dies. But the Haifa-Chabar Triangle is a flexible network. It's hybrid of sea, rail and road. If one road is blocked, we take the rail. If one sea is closed, we go overland. By 2040, analysts believe this hybrid route will handle 40% of the cargo that currently crawls through the Suez. We are watching the slow dethroning of the world's most famous canal. This triangle achieves what was once impossible. It boxes in China's Belt and Road. It makes Pakistan geography irrelevant. It gives India strategic autonomy. We can talk to Russia through the Chabar and the West through Haifa simultaneously. India is no longer following the rules of global trade. India is writing them. In the 20th century, we were victims of a geography. In the 21st century, we are the architects of it. If you want to understand the hidden moves that are making India a superpower, you belong on this channel. Hit subscribe to Decoded Life, and here's a question for you. Between the Russian route Chabar and the European route Haifa, which one do you think is more critical for India's future? Let's debate in the comments.